In this video, I'm gonna talk about the BGP Neighbor States. So we've got 6 BGP Neighbor States. So number 1 is idle. Idle is always the initial state of a neighbor. So in this state, the BGP process is waiting for the start of a TCP connection to the neighbor. And number 2 is connect. In this state, the BGP process is waiting for the TCP connection to be completed. So I think you can also say that you won't know whether the TCP connection will be completed or not in this state. And number 3 is active. In this state, the TCP connection has been completed, but no BGP messages have been sent to the potential neighbor yet. Number 4 is Opensent. In this state, a BGP Opensent has been sent to the neighbor, but a matching opens message has not been received yet from that neighbor. Number 5 is Openconfirm. In this state, both an open message has been both sent and received from the other neighbor or from the other router, and the BGP process is just waiting for a BGP Keepalive or notification. If it receives a BGP Keepalive, then it will proceed to then the connection will get established. But if it receives a notification message, then the state will go back to the idle state or to the idle. And like I said, if it receives a BGP Keepalive message, then the connection will get established. And of course, the last neighbor state is established, in which the BGP peer connection has been completed, and the peers can now exchange update, Keepalive, and notification messages. So yeah, that's it for the BGP neighbor states. Thanks for watching.